So welcome all of you in the session. I am Dr. Shammu Muhuri from CACD Department, Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala, Punjab. So in this session, we will learn how to install Android Studio. In the home screen of Google, we will write Android Studio download. So the options will come. You can select the second option as it is showing in the screen. So click on this link. Now you will go to developer.android.com/studio. So here you will get the option. So here you will get this option, download Android Studio. So basic step, please download this. For downloading, you have to agree with the license. So that is the license, and click on download Android Studio Dolphin. Check the version. Right now the version is 2021.3.1 patch 1 for Windows. So I will download this. So in the desktop, I will download this. It will take 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I will come back. So now you can see the exe file is already downloaded. So what we have to do, we have to double click on this and we have to install this app. So click on this. So click on yes. Now the basic steps you have to follow, it will show you welcome to Android Studio setup. Okay, fine, and we will agree with all the agreement and we will click on next. Yes, so we want to install Android virtual device. So I will click on next. So here I have to give the link or the path where we want to download. So yeah, I want to put it on C program files, Android Studio. I am agreeing with that and I will click on next. So you can check what are the files you will download. So you have to download these all. So we will click on install. So it will take few minutes. So we have to wait. And please remember your internet connection should be okay, because it will take the help of internet to download some jar files. You can check the download or the installing is in progress. So we have to wait for another few seconds. Okay, so it is showing it has completed. So we can click on next. So completing Android Studio setup. So we will click on start Android Studio and we will click on finish. So the Android Studio should open. So you can check Dolphin 2021.3.1. This is the version and it is opening. So for the first time, it will take some time to open the components. So you can check the console will open for you. Now for writing a new project, or if you want to make a new project, what you have to do? You have to go to the file you have to click on, it will show you some tip. So what you have to do, you have to click on file, you have to click on new, and you have to click on new project. So a new project will open, so you will get some by default options. There are so many options you can choose it from. Otherwise, you can also choose the blank project. So for first time user, I would suggest click on basic activity and click on next. So here you have to give name of the project and you can put any name. So for you, I am putting Thapar app. So this is the project name Thapar app. I will click on finish. The workspace will be prepared. It will take some time here. As I have told you many times, we have to wait for the console to come. It will take some time. It is in loading state. You can check here indexing module Thapar app. So my project is in, it will open within few minutes. So you can check the console has opened. So you have to write your codes here. So last one thing I want to tell you, for installing this Android Studio, Java is compulsory. So Java should be installed in your machine. So already I have Java in my machine. So I am showing you that thing. So I will open the command prompt. I will write cmd and the command prompt will open. So here you can check. So I will write Java space dash version. I will click enter. You can check Java is already installed. So my Java version is 1.8.0 321. There is an old version, no issue. Any version you can install. So if you haven't installed Java in your own machine, then what you have to do? Just simply go to Google, just write Java, download Java. And you have to download Java for Windows. So you can check the download Java option is there. The steps are very simple. Just you have to download and install. One last thing you have to remember, that this file location or install location should be put in your system environment variables. So what does that mean? You should access Java from anywhere of your computer. So what you have to do, I am showing you one last thing. Please remember this step. So if you haven't installed Java, this step is very, very important. So go to C, go to program files, go to Java, JDK, go to bin. Now just copy this whole link. Okay, so copy this whole link. Now what you have to do, you have to paste this link in system environment variables. How would you do? So I am showing you this step. Go to PC, right click here, click on show more options. You have to click on properties. So this screen will come. So here you have to click on advanced system settings. Okay, so you will get this pop-up. So you will check this thing, environment variables. So click there, environment variables. Now go to system variables. So here you will get the path. So what you have to do, you have to click on edit path. So here in my machine, I have already Java JDK. So check here, I have already put Java JDK. So if you don't have Java JDK, then what you have to do, as I have told you, so what you have to do, go to C, then go to program files, go to Java, go to JDK, go to bin, copy the whole path from here, and you have to put it here. And then you have to click OK, OK, OK. Okay. So what you can check, your Java will show. And this is the prerequisite. If you have Java, no issue. Just download the Android app and follow these steps I have already shown you. And I think you can install this Android Studio. It's very, very, very easy. So I think you have enjoyed this session. In the next few sessions, you will learn how to write your fast code. Okay. So enjoy the all other session. Thanks. Thanks from my side.